I get asked often, how do I find the time to work out? With all the things I have going on. You know, I'm a father, husband, I work a 9 to 5, I'm a content creator, photographer, filmmaker. How do I find the time and why? And my answer is simple. Work ethic. See, like you, I wasn't born with superhuman athletic ability, the voice of a god. I'm not the child of some billionaire. But one thing I've always had is work ethic. And whatever it is you do, whether it's photography, fitness, whatever it is, we all have one thing in common. That we can work just a little bit harder. We can be a little bit more dedicated. So when I come to the gym, it's to push myself. Because I know if I intentionally work hard here, that carries over to everything else. And I'm all about that. Because we can be whoever we want to be with enough work ethic. Let's go. Terry Warfield.